Hello everyone, I once again welcome you all to another new episode of how to create hatch profile. So in the last tutorial we had discussed how to create this exercise and how to do all the detailings here. And in today's session our focus will be how to create this particular profile as well as this profile. Okay, so let's begin with this profile, how to create it. So if you are joining for the first time with our channel, don't forget to visit our earlier tutorials that is available in the playlist, and don't forget to give your feedback to them as well. So in those tutorials I have discussed how to begin learning the AutoCAD software and how to start from scratch to a standard level of practicing the AutoCAD software. So the link will be provided in the description below. Don't forget to go there and click over that link to check out all my tutorials I have made for you. And I hope you will keep up the journey with us like this, and you will motivate us to make more such videos. So let's begin. Okay, so the next profile we have here is this profile, and to create this profile we will start from this center point. So here I have two different circles, one is of 44 diameter, another one is of R38. So to do that, go to circle center dia and create a circle here of 44 diameter. After that, take another circle of center radius and provide the radius value of R38. Here I will change the color of the entity to default color like this. Okay, after that again I have a height here from this point to this point 48 mm, so that I can create here a circle of R13. So take a line here and the height is 48. After that, go to circle center radius and create a circle of 13, and from this point downward I have to go 22 mm. So take line command once again, start from this point 22, and here I have the length 38 mm as we can see. So type 38, enter, and simply join it here in the quadrant point. After that, I can offset this line both the side of the circle 13 mm. O enter, 13 enter, offset this both the sides. Use the trim tool to remove these extra lines like this, and again I have to go 38 mm from this center point towards left side. So take line command, start from the center point 38, enter, again go 22 mm height, and here I have to create a circle of 26 diameter. So to create it, go to circle center diameter method and click here, provide the diameter 22, enter, again take line command. From this point I have to go left side 20 mm and create a random height here. After that, from this bottom to this center point of the circle, I can see it is 144 height. But what if I want to go from this point to this point? Simply minus 22 mm from 144. So you can easily go from this point to this point. So it will be 122. So take the line command. So start from the center point and provide 122. And here I have two different circles. One is 40 diameter, another one is R32. So go to circle center dia. So here 40 diameter, another one is R32. So create it like this. After that, we can use the trim tool to remove this extra line. Now I have to see the horizontal distance from this center to this center 48, and to calculate the vertical height I can use this data. So if I will use this data, simply minus 144 from 190, you will get 46. So I have to go 48 horizontally and 46 vertically. So go to L, enter, start from this point. So this horizontal distance is 48 and this vertical height is 46. And at this point I have another two circles R20 and 20 dia. So to create it, go to center radius and first create the R20 circle. After that, take center diameter and create a circle of 20 diameter. Now simply delete these lines like this. And here I have a fillet. As I can see here, the value of the fillet is R40. So to get it, go to circle TTR and simply click over these two circles and provide the radius value 40, enter. Now I can use the trim tool, TR double enter, and remove this. And after that, simply create a line from this quadrant point straight downward up to here like this. And after that, I have a 10 radius fillet in these two sharp corners. So to apply it, go to fillet command, F enter. To apply the radius, type R enter, and the radius value is 10. Use the multiple tool and simply select these entities and it will be filleted. After that, use the trim tool, TR double enter, to remove these extra lines like this. Okay, so as we can see, our profile is almost completed. So the last thing remain here is the hatching we have to apply. So go to hatch enter once again, select ANSI 31 from here and click over this closed area and it will be applied. After that, to apply the center mark, go to annotate, center mark, simply click over these circles and your center mark will be applied. Now let's quickly create the dimensions here, but before that I have to match the line property. So go to match prop command, which will help me to match the property of one entity with the other. Click over here, simply select the property you want to copy and select the entity to which you want to apply the match prop like this. So here we have to be very careful while selecting, because other entities can also get the same property which you don't want to apply to them. So I can simply click on them like this one by one and it will be applied. Okay, so as we can see, the line property has been applied, and again I have to match the center line property here. So go to match prop once again, click over this center line and apply it here. Okay, so let's generate the dimension. To generate it, choose a different color for dimensioning. Go to dimensions and generate these one by one. This radius is R20 and this diameter here is 20 dia. After that, again this radius here is R32 and this diameter is 40, and here we are getting a radius of R38 and the diameter we are getting here is 44. After that, this radius is 13 and this diameter we are getting here is 22. From this point, this center of the circle is 144, and from this point to this point it is 38. Again from this point to this center point it is 38. From this corner to this point it is 20. Again the total height of the model here is 190, and from this point to this point it is 120. After that, from this center to this center of the arc here is 48. Okay, so after that we have almost completed the second profile as well. We have to apply the match prop to these center lines as well. So apply it here as well. Okay, so the another profile I have today is this profile, and we will start with this profile as well. So let's quickly go to the software and start drawing this particular profile. So as I can see here, I have two different circles here. One is of radius 30, another one is of 36 diameter. So to create the circle, click over the command prompt, type C enter and click anywhere and provide the radius value, that is 30, enter. After that, I need another circle here of dia 30. Again go to C enter and click on the center point and provide the diameter here by clicking over the diameter option, and here you provide 36 diameter. Okay, after that, as I can see here, there is another arc here of R64. So let's create it. To create it, go to center radius, click over the center point and provide the radius value 64, enter. After that, I have a line here at 30-degree angle from this vertical axis. So let's quickly generate it using the polar mode. So go to the software, turn on the polar and set 30-degree inclination. After that, go to line command, click over this middle point, and here I can see from this axis another 30 degree. So this is 270 degree plus 30 degree, it will be 300. So you can simply click over here. After that, I have two different circles here. One is of R10, the external one, and the internal circle here is 12 diameter. So first of all, I will create a circle of R10 here at this intersection point. And after that, I have another circle of 12 dia. So go here, D enter, 12 enter. Okay. So after that, in between them, I have some arc here and I don't know the radius value here, but I can create this arc by using circle 2-point method. So go to circle 2-point method and click over this quadrant point and this quadrant point. So like this, I can create it. After that, select these entities, go to mirror command, specify the first point of mirroring line and second point of mirroring line and simply press enter. After that, use the trim tool, TR double enter, trim this out, trim this out, trim this out, and you can trim it like this. After that, I have a height of 125 from this center point to this center point. So to create it, go to line command once again, start from this point and provide the height 125, enter. So at this point, I have two different circles of R12 and 12 dia. So to do that, go to circle center diameter, click over here, provide the diameter 12. Again, click over center radius, click over here and provide the radius 12. Okay, so as I can see, I have created these two circles here. After that, I have to create this arc of R54. So I can create it using circle TTR. So to do that, again go here, do circle TTR method, first tangent, second tangent, provide the radius 54, enter. The same thing I need in other side. I can simply click over here, go to mirror, first point and second point, press enter. Now let's quickly do the trimming operation here. So go to TR double enter, trim it out like this and trim it out like this. Okay, after that, what we can do, we can trim out these circles as well. So type TR double enter once again and trim it out like this. And again here I will trim it out like this. So now we have to apply the hatching here. To apply the hatch, go to hatch enter. And here you have to select the type of hatch you want to apply. So here I want to apply ANSI 31. So simply click over it and you have to specify a closed bounded area. So this is my closed bounded area. I can click over here and your hatch will be created like this. And close now as it is done. Okay, so my hatching profile has been created. Let's quickly generate the dimension. So here I will take a different color for dimensioning. Suppose here I am taking this particular color. Go to dimension and let's generate all the dimensions. This value is R30. This value here is 36 diameter. From this particular point to this point, it is 125. And this diameter here is R10. And the angular value of from this line to this line is 30 degree. Again, the angular value from this line to this center line, again it is 30 degree. After that, the inner diameter of these circles, we can mention it here. Simply click over here and it is 12. Again, the outer radius here is R12 and the radius of this PTR is 54. So simply click over here, it will be generated. Okay, After that, I can simply double click over this 12 dia and I can write down here 4 holes 12 dia. Okay. So like this, I have completed this profile. Just the last thing I have to do here is select these lines and go to third bilayer and use the center line. Okay, this is how we have completed this profile as well. So today we have completed the second and third exercise of how to create hatching. I hope you guys have understood how to create a hatch profile, and this is the second part of the session. We have the last part, that is the third part, in the next tutorial. So stay tuned for that, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and give your feedback so that we can improve our quality of tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new to the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates.